Looking for the best biometric door locks? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 biometric door locks on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, ZKTeco, Fingerprint Biometric Bluetooth Smart Door Lock. You can grant limited access for certain people. Access through smartphone, keypad, ID card, fingerprint or key. Fingerprint enrollment works easily. Lock looks good and functions well. Lock has 5 different ways you can access, including fingerprint ID. The handle on this lock is not reversible. The lock is also not weatherproof. At number 2, Scyan X9, Fingerprint Touchscreen Door Lock. Capable of storing 100 fingerprints and 100 key codes. Individual deletion for inactive users. Low battery warning. Can attach a backup 9-volt battery. Fingerprint and code memory stays put even after system reset or power loss. A solid, affordable door lock that offers biometric or keypad access methods plus secure lager key override. Fitting is a bit time-consuming and requires care. Batteries not included. At number 1, MENGQI-CONTROL, Full Kits Fingerprint FID Access Control Systems. Can take wet or dry fingerprints. Works great at pool areas. Will log 100,000 entries. Hardwired rather than battery operated. Comes with an interior exit button for emergencies. Easy installation. Comes with 10 cards and key cards. This system is great for public use. It can hold up to 1,000 fingerprints. This is a magnetic lock and not a deadbolt lock, but it is built to withstand 600 pounds of pressure. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.